Hey everyone, this is Dade here with MarineMax Grand Lake. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a walkthrough of this brand new 2026 Sea Ray 400 SLX. As you can see starting off, you have your swim platform back here. Let's have a submersible swim platform, sea deck lined throughout the entire boat. You got your seating back here. This backrest here, you can open it up, make a huge sun pad, really open up the back of this boat over here. Got U-shaped seating, table here. Then over here you do have your wet bar with the grill, sink, refrigerators, and a trash can down here. You have a captain's chair and a co-captain's chair, dual sim rads, joystick control. Moving up to the bow, got plenty of seating up here for all your friends and family. You can attach a table there in the middle. And moving down into the cabin, got a table down here, plenty of seating, TV, refrigerator, microwave. This does sleep 4 down here, and you have your head. So if you like this boat or anything else you see in our online inventory, feel free to stop by Grand Lake Marine Max or give us a call today. Thanks.